Thank God, say I don't catch you. Thank God, say I don't catch you. I go use you rough today. I go rough handle you.
What did I do you now?
You want to know what you do, Abi?
What did I do?
You want to know what you do, Abi? Wait, know what you do, Abi? I go do one.
You gonna naked me.
Your husband naked my house.
Hey.
I go naked you today.
I wanted no.
You no go anywhere. Your husband don't run.
I got appointment.
You get appointment. You go get disappointment here right now. You go get disappointment. Don't provide your husband. Provide your husband.
Mister, what's the problem? Hello. This is domestic violence. Stop this. Hello, sir. Excuse me, sir. Hello. Hey. What's the problem, sir?
Okay, this woman here. They are very, very wicked. I gave the husband money to roof my house for me. This man go buy basket. Bro. The house now so they take leak water. I know this leak for my house. Upon all the money they charge me, the husband has run away. And she wants to run before I captured her. She must balance me all my money now and today.
Is that the problem?
That is the problem.
Well, we are here to settle the problem. I am from Integrity Metro Roofing Tiles and Aluminium Products Nigeria Limited.
You are from where?
We are the latest company in Nigeria, and we deal on all kinds of aluminium products. Take a look at this. You see this? These are our products. You see this?
Mama, roof for this at my house.
You see this? And when you buy any of our products, we give you 50 years warranty. That's not all. We have 24/7 customer care service. All you need to do is just to call and they are there. That's not all again, sir. We have professional installers. They come give your house the perfect finishing. Yes.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious, sir.
Una they do all this kind?
Exactly, sir.
You mean all these fine housewives here and on a roofer?
Exactly, sir.
Hey.
Yes.
And you have workers we go come install everything
24/7.
This idiot, her husband can't carry her family. Because no man has the grown nail na ready coke. No look him. Ya bala make it so we think kahaka. Katagata bumuna gengata. Nambiko, where will our office stay?
Simple. Uptown Downtown Plaza, number 49 Limca Road, Mpo, Anambra State.
Mpo no mecha here.
Anambra State, that's it.
Una get email address.
Website.
All
you need to do is visit www.integritymetroroofingtiles.com.
What of Facebook on a day there?
It's there. It's there. So you don't need to fight. Forgive her.
Integrity Metro Roofing Tiles and Aluminium Products Nigeria Limited.
Exactly.
Hey, my people, now don't hear that. Integrity Metro Roofing Tiles and Aluminium. They are the best.
Integrity Metro Roofing Tiles and Aluminium. Ebano.
Na him fi bawo. Kowa ya sanar da shi, mun san da shi, gwamnati ta san da shi, dukkan duniya ta san da shi.
My country people, when I don't hear Amabi, I urge all of us to go for Integrity Metro Roofing Tiles and Aluminium Products Nigeria Limited. All we are, Ebano.